This is crazy. Have you ever farted in public? Oh my god. Have you ever done drugs? I'm just a girl standing in front of a boy asking him to love her. Yeah. And even if I did, like, why would I tell you? So one day I woke up and logged into my website and I saw that a popular celebrity had placed an order on our website. What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. So I posted a poll on Instagram and asked you guys what you wanted to see on my channel next. There was tough competition between a get to know me video and a business Q&A. But you guys voted for a get to know me video, so here it is. But a business Q&A is coming soon. So in this video, I am taking questions that you guys sent me on Instagram. So we'll start with the questions about me, then we move on to my business, and then we'll take up some fun questions. I know I've had some really serious videos on this channel, and honestly, I was getting so bored. And usually I'm a fun person, so I need to find a balance. Hence this video. So give this video a big thumbs up if you like it and if you want more such fun videos from me. And if you're new around here, this channel is all about business, mindset, spirituality, and my journey as an entrepreneur. So don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to be notified every single time I post a new video. So the first question is, where did you grow up? So I grew up in Jammu and Kashmir. For the first 24 years of my life, I was there. I did my schooling, I did my graduation from Jammu and Kashmir. And then the next question is, where are you from? So basically I'm from Jammu and Kashmir. So next question is, where do you live? So I'm currently in Pune and I moved here in 2014 and I've been here ever since. What star sign are you? So for my entire life, I thought I'm a Leo. But recently, I discovered that I am actually a Cancerian because according to Vedic astrology, I am a Cancerian. So according to Vedic astrology, your sun sign is different from your Western sun sign. So it would be the sun sign that comes before your sun sign. So I was a Leo, but I'm actually a Cancerian. So if you are a Virgo, according to Western astrology, you would be a Leo according to Vedic astrology. Next question is, are you married? No, I'm not. Are you Indian? Yes, I'm pretty much an Indian. How is your name pronounced? It's Shivani Pikhan. Yeah. What do you do for a living? So I run a brand. I have an e-commerce website. So that's what I do. And the brand's name is Semesta, as you all know. The next question is, do you have kids? No. Do I look like I have kids? No, I don't have kids. I'm not married. So the next question is, how did you have the idea to create a business account in social media? So basically I wanted to do this for so long. I wanted to build my personal brand, but I never got the time to do it. So because of COVID, I had a lot of time on my hands. So I was like, let's try my hand at this. So that's how it started. And the next question is, what have you studied? So I was a science student in school and then I did my graduation in business. Then I moved to Pune and I did my fashion designing. Then I've also done digital marketing. I'm also a specialist in fitness nutrition and I keep studying, so you never know what course I'm going to do next. Do you have siblings? Yes, I have two brothers. Both are elder. I'm the youngest. So what's your childhood nickname? So I never had a nickname in my childhood, but now that I'm old, my mother calls me with these really weird names. I don't know what's with her. When is your birthday? It's 3rd August. What are your hobbies? So I like being active, so I love playing squash. And when I was a kid, even when I was in school, I loved drawing, I loved painting, and that also helped me in my fashion designing. I haven't painted for a very long time now, so I should get back to it. Yes. When did you start your business? So it was not planned at all. I was actually preparing to go for MBA, and just like that, out of nowhere, I started a part-time business and it was good money. So I dropped the idea of MBA and started working full-time. And that was my first brand back in 2013, which I relaunched under a new name called Semesta in 2017. How do you collaborate with celebrities for your brand? I think I would call myself pretty lucky in this case. We never had to approach a celebrity or a celebrity stylist by ourselves. Ever since I launched Semesta, we were flooded with sourcing requests. So one day I woke up and logged into my website and I saw that a popular celebrity had placed an order on our website and I couldn't believe it. So I thought it was maybe a fake order because it was a cash on delivery order. And I went to our Instagram and saw that that celebrity had followed us on Instagram. And I was like amazed. I was too happy. And this was back in 2018. So post that, we did a lot of collaborations with her for her movies, for her events. And our first collaboration actually never came out. It was a web series that was being produced by a huge production company. And the stylist had come to Pune from Mumbai to pick up the outfits. But the series never came out. But we've collaborated with so many celebrities after that. It's been amazing. We even did one with Vogue for Feet Up with the Stars. It was a Janhvi Kapoor episode. I'll put a picture somewhere over here. Is it hard running a business? It can be, because you have to know so much, you have to handle so much, you have to be disciplined, you have to be strict with your deadlines. And especially being a woman, it can be a little hard because people tend to not take you seriously. So you have to make sure you're assertive and show them you mean business. And an entrepreneur's brain never stops thinking about the business. There's always something to do 24/7. Now it's up to you how much you want to hustle. For me, I make sure I get 7 to 8 hours of sleep, and after that I can handle anything in the world. What do you want to be in life? So when I was a child, I wanted to be a doctor, and when I grew up, I just wanted to get into business. So I'm just gonna build businesses, provide employment, and inspire all the young girls out there that if I can do it, you can do it. And I want to create more women entrepreneurs in India and in the world. How do you maintain yourself? Okay, so I think you mean how am I fit? So I make sure I work out at least 4 to 5 days in a week. I weight train. I do HIIT. I eat healthy at least 90% of the time. And I make sure I take stairs whenever I can, which is most of the times. How is your skin so good? Okay, I think my skin is good, but right now my skin is going through a pretty bad phase, which I'm going to talk about in a video that's coming later this month. Your favorite actor? Dude, it has to be Priyanka Chopra Jonas. I have loved her ever since Mujhse Shaadi Karogi came out. And not just as an actor, I love how savage she is. And she's an inspiration to millions of girls out there. And then I love Sarah Jessica Parker, just for Sex and the City. She's amazing. And then I love Jennifer Lawrence. She's goofy. I love her. She's so funny. But if I had to choose, I would choose Priyanka Chopra. She's my forever favorite. Do you believe in love at first sight? No, I believe in attraction at first sight. I don't think you can fall in love with someone just by looking at them for the first time, except Bradley Cooper. Which song is your favorite? I don't have a favorite because I listen to so many songs, but currently I'm loving I Want to Break Free by Queen. Your favorite TV show? Okay, if I have to choose a fun show, like my forever favorite, that would be Sex and the City. But I also loved Westworld, Breaking Bad. Have you ever failed in an exam? Not in any of my final exams, but we have this unit test in our school. I think it was in 12th standard when I had failed my maths exam. But I'm very good at maths. So I got 10 out of 50. But that was the only time I failed any exam. But I also have to tell you that I got 100 out of 100 in 11th standard. I think it was the functions chapter that was really hard in 12th. Yeah. Which habit are you the proudest of breaking? I think it would be the caffeine one. It took me very long to break that habit. Very long. And it was very hard. But I did it. So very proud, yes. Heels or flats? So I love heels, I love heels, and my heels are sky high. Once I remember I was wearing these stilettos to a dinner and I literally had to hold my brother and walk because they were so uncomfortable. But I'm not embarrassed at all. I would do it again. And according to my family, I'm always overdressed. Even if I'm wearing just jeans and a t-shirt with maybe boots or heels. Right? How's that overdressed? But if I'm going somewhere where I have to walk a lot, I would prefer flats or shoes. Long or short hair? So I've had both long and short hair, and when I was a child I used to have a boy cut, and last year I had cut my hair so short, I'll put a picture somewhere over here, only to regret it later because I cannot put it in a bun, and I hate it when I work out and my hair is all over the place. But if I had to pick, I think I would pick long hair any day. And I've had really long hair too, I think till my hips or my waist. I think if I can find a picture, I'll put it somewhere over here. But I think the length I have right now is perfect. What do you think? Mountains or beaches? Since I'm from mountains, I prefer beaches. Coffee or tea? None, but the tea my mom makes. So definitely that. The Indian masala chai. Do you prefer looks or intelligence? I think I would prefer both, but intelligence, any day, intelligence. If someone can stimulate my mind, nothing like it. Your favorite movie? So my all-time favorite movie is Notting Hill. It stars Julia Roberts and Hugh Grant. It's about a British bookseller who falls in love with a mega movie star. It's a very simple romantic film, and there's this popular dialogue in the film where she says, "I'm just a girl standing in front of a boy asking him to love her." Yeah. How are you feeling today? I'm feeling very good. Who was the last person you had a deep conversation with? Myself? Yes. I think I only have deep conversations with myself. Yeah. This is crazy. Have you ever farted in public? Oh my god. No, not yet. What's that one behavior you need to let go of? I think it would be not being patient. I lack patience. I don't have patience at all. Have you ever done drugs? No. And even if I did, like, why would I tell you? Your lipstick shades you wear in your videos. So it's a mix of 3 shades: MAC Meher, NYX Stockholm, and Maybelline 925 Brick Rose. Yeah, I mixed 3 shades to get this shade. Do you eat meat? No, I'm a vegetarian. So when I was 10, I used to eat chicken and meat and all that. But then at 10, I was a kid. I was a small kid, and I was like, I don't want to eat animals. But I ate eggs for a very long time. I think when I was 18 or 19, I stopped eating eggs altogether. So I'm a vegetarian. Dumbest way you've been injured? I think there are so many. I get injured like all the time. Like somewhere or the other, I just keep, I don't know, I keep bumping into things. I'm just weird like that. Yeah. What is that plant you have in all your videos? Oh, you mean this one? So it's a snake plant. So it's a NASA approved air purifying indoor plant. Do you journal daily? Isn't that hard to keep up? It can be hard if you're not used to it. I'm used to it now. So I don't do it every day. I do it every alternate day. How were you as a child? So I was a very naughty and I was a very angry child. I was a very angry child. Favorite food? So I love Indian, but I also love my pasta. And I love Thai food. I love Thai curries, especially anything with coconut. I like anything with coconut. Give me anything with coconut. I would love it. Do you cook? Yes, in fact, I cook every single day. What are your plans for 2021? So my plans for 2021 are to travel, to grow my YouTube, and to grow my business. So 3. I'm also taking up a lot of courses in 2021. So a lot of studying. Favorite alcoholic drink? So I don't drink. Do you smoke? No, I don't smoke. What's your morning routine? So I wake up and get a glass of warm water. Then I sit with my glass of warm water and I read either Bhagavad Gita, and currently I'm reading Srimad Bhagavatam, and post that I do my meditation and then shower and breakfast. That's my morning routine. You always look so positive in your videos. Are you really this positive all the time? No, I'm not positive all the time, but I don't let the negative thoughts consume me so much. And as I talk about in my videos, I always, whenever I spot a negative thought, I always replace it with a positive one. It's become a habit now. What do you do when you feel depressed? I'll do something that I really, really like, but the first thing is I will write down why I'm feeling depressed. What am I feeling? Why is this happening? So that's the first thing I do. And then maybe I'll watch a funny show or a funny movie, or I'll go out or call my mother. Yeah, that's what I do. I saw your push-ups video. How many can you do in under a minute? I've never counted, but I think 10 to 12. Yeah. Or maybe more, I don't know. Since you have a fashion brand, do you stick to fashion trends? Not at all. You should see me, I'm always in my black t-shirt and my jeans. So I am not, yeah. Do you binge watch series? Which is your favorite? I used to, but I think it's been quite a few months I haven't binged any series. Like, yeah, no. And which is my favorite? So yeah, as I said, I love Sex and the City. I can watch it anytime. Where would you like to travel to when the pandemic is over? I really want to go to Japan. Yes. And I also really want to go to Greece, Santorini. Yeah. When do we get to see your house tour? Maybe when I buy my own house? If you had a warning label, what would that say? I think it would be keep your distance. Your favorite makeup brand? There's no one makeup brand that I love. I love Estee Lauder. I also love NYX. I love MAC. MAC's concealer, amazing. Lipsticks are amazing. That's it. Yeah. So I don't know if it's the weirdest, but when I look at a person, I look at their teeth. So beautifully aligned teeth is what I find attractive in a person. One habit you cannot do without. I think it would be meditation. Every single day. Yeah, I can't do without it. Which book do you recommend everyone to read? Bhagavad Gita. Any day. Yeah, that book changed my life. So that's it in today's video. I hope I have answered all your questions. Now you know me a little better. So hit that like button and subscribe. See you in my next video.